Well, hey guys, how's it going? We are back again for another one. You see it. For all you all that know what this is the actual small log version. It will hold up to a 20-inch bar. For those that don't know what this is my Alaskan sawmill. That's right, folks. I finally got it out. I went ahead and put it together. It was super simple. You didn't even need any tools. This is all you needed. And if you've got a chainsaw, you've got about a dozen of these things laying around anyway. So, yeah, kudos to them. Super simple. Everything goes together. They're all carriage bolts. They all fit in this rail. See if you can see that. See, there's carriage bolt right in there. You just got to square up the frame, bolt it all together, follow the pictures and the diagrams. Don't over torque past 10 to 15 pounds, and you're good to go. This is your adjustment. This is your depth gauge right here. It's your handle. You have your chainsaw right here attached through here. You hold on to here, this little deflector shield, and you just push it through. Wow. Wow. It's like that. Okay. Can't just get into a project. Zoom, 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 zoom. Done, done. No, it don't work that way. Alright. So the key to this is level. Whoa. Level as you can get her. short of the sawdust around here. Like snow. I think that's sand. Well, what do I think? I think the proof's pretty much in the pudding. I've got me a nice piece of hickory here. Oh, roughly 6 inches thick. We're looking at close to about 13 inches wide. Going on about 8 feet long. Now it's seasoned 1 year. But they say that you want to give it a year per inch of thickness. So if they're telling me that this log needs to dry 6 years, well, we're going to have to do something to speed that up. But yeah, there it is. I got a chunk of wood. Make me my table. Got a good table here. Got a good piece of raw hickory timber. Big enough that I could probably make some axe handles out of. Including I got another piece right there that I could probably make some axe handles out of, hatchet handles, what have you. Good strong straight grain hickory. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the saw. It did good. It pulled through knots. Pretty self-explanatory of how the Alaska sawmill works. And I used one chain on 1, 2, 3 cuts. She goes through some gas now, and keep that oil reservoir checked too, because she was definitely going through some oil, but that's okay. We're happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time. Till next time. Chip! Chip, buddy! You like it? It's a good boy. He's a good boy.